I spent 3 years lifting heavy weights at the gym. Got strong, sure. But here's what shocked me. When I tested myself against a Navy SEAL who trained only with bodyweight exercises, I couldn't keep up. He crushed me in every movement. That day changed everything I thought I knew about building muscle. Today, I'm revealing the 6 bodyweight exercises that science proves can build more muscle than traditional weights, and why elite military units worldwide rely on them. Stay until the end because exercise number 4 activates 87% more muscle fibers than the barbell equivalent. What's up, fitness family? If you're tired of expensive gym memberships, waiting for equipment, or just want to build functional strength anywhere, anytime, you're in the right place. I'm about to break down the bodyweight exercises that deliver results weights simply can't match. Let's dive in. Exercise number 1, Pseudo Planche Push-Ups. Let's start with a movement that makes regular push-ups look like child's play. The Pseudo Planche Push-Up isn't just another push-up variation. It's a muscle-building powerhouse that research from the Journal of Strength and Conditioning shows activates your chest, shoulders, and core simultaneously in ways bench press never could. Here's why it's superior. When you lean forward with your hands by your hips, you're fighting gravity at an extreme mechanical disadvantage. Your body becomes a rigid lever, forcing your anterior deltoids to work overtime. A 2019 study found that advanced calisthenics practitioners developed shoulder strength comparable to Olympic gymnasts without touching a single weight. The execution is crucial. Place your hands beside your hips, fingers pointing backward or slightly outward. Lean forward until your shoulders pass your wrists. Keep your body completely straight, then press. Your shoulders will be screaming, but that burn is pure muscle activation. Start with just 3 to 5 reps and progress slowly. Unlike weights where you can ego lift with momentum, bodyweight exercises demand perfect form. Exercise number 2, one-arm pull-ups or progressions. Here's a truth bomb. Most people who can bench press 300 pounds can't do a single one-arm pull-up. Why? Because this exercise demands neuromuscular coordination, grip strength, and relative strength that weights don't develop. Research from the International Journal of Sports Physical Therapy demonstrates that unilateral pulling movements like one-arm pull-ups recruit stabilizer muscles across your entire posterior chain. Your lats, traps, rhomboids, and core work in perfect synchronization. You're not just building muscle. You're building a bulletproof, functional physique. Can't do one yet? Neither could I for 2 years. Start with archer pull-ups where one arm does most of the work while the other assists. Then progress to assisted one-arm pull-ups using a resistance band or grabbing your working wrist with your free hand. Each progression builds dense, powerful muscle tissue that looks as good as it performs. The goal isn't just aesthetics. It's developing pulling strength that translates to real-world power. Exercise number 3. Pistol squats. If you think you need a barbell to build massive legs, watch a speed skater's quads. Pistol squats, the single leg squat king. Build leg strength and size while improving balance, mobility, and ankle stability that weighted squats often neglect. Here's the science. A study in the Journal of Human Kinetics found that single leg exercises like pistols activate your gluteus medius 47% more than bilateral squats. That's the muscle responsible for hip stability and that athletic V-taper look. Plus, the balance requirement forces your core to work as a stabilization powerhouse throughout the entire movement. The beauty of pistol squats is progressive overload without adding weight. Can't do a full pistol yet? Start with box pistols, lowering to a chair or bench. Then remove the box and use a TRX strap for assistance. Eventually, you'll perform full pistols, and when you do, try adding a pause at the bottom or slowing your descent to 5 seconds. The time under tension will make your quads grow like you're squatting heavy barbells, but with zero joint compression and maximum functional carryover. Exercise number 4, dragon flags. Remember when I mentioned an exercise that activates 87% more muscle fibers? Meet the dragon flag, Bruce Lee's legendary core builder. Researchers at the Biomechanics Lab at San Diego State University found that dragon flags produced higher rectus abdominis activation than any weighted AB exercise they tested, including cable crunches with maximum weight. Why are dragon flags so effective? They create maximal tension through your entire anterior chain while demanding perfect body control. Your abs aren't just crunching. They're preventing your entire body from collapsing under gravity's pull. That's isometric and concentric work combined in one devastating movement. Here's how to progress. Start with knee tucks, bringing your knees to your chest while holding a bench or sturdy surface behind your head. Then progress to flat leg raises, keeping your legs straight as you lower and raise. Finally, attempt the full dragon flag, maintaining a completely straight body from shoulders to toes. Even 5 perfect reps will build more core strength and visible AB development than 100 crunches. This exercise alone transformed my midsection from soft to shredded. Exercise number 5. Handstand push-ups. Want boulder shoulders? Forget overhead press machines. Handstand push-ups are the ultimate vertical pressing movement, and biomechanical analysis shows they load your deltoids more effectively than any weighted overhead press. Going inverted changes everything. You're pressing 100% of your body weight straight up against gravity while your core and stabilizers work frantically to keep you balanced. A 2018 study in the Journal of Sports Sciences found that gymnasts who primarily trained handstand push-ups had shoulder development rivaling competitive power lifters, but with far better shoulder health and mobility. Start against a wall with pike push-ups, creating an inverted V with your body and pressing your head toward the ground. Progress to wall-assisted handstand push-ups, then freestanding if you're feeling ambitious. The constant tension, full range of motion, and stability demands build shoulders that are both powerful and resilient. No shoulder injuries from impinged joints under heavy bars, just pure, functional pressing strength. Exercise number 6. Muscle ups. The muscle up is the king of compound bodyweight exercises. It combines a pull-up and a dip into one explosive movement that builds your back, chest, shoulders, and arms simultaneously. According to research on gymnastics training, muscle-ups develop upper body power output that correlates directly with athletic performance across multiple sports. What makes muscle-ups special? The transition phase, that explosive moment where you pull yourself up and over the bar, requires coordinated power from muscles that rarely work together in weighted exercises. Your body learns to generate and transfer force efficiently, building functional muscle that serves you in real life, not just the gym. Progress through strict pull-ups and deep dips first. Then practice jumping muscle-ups to understand the movement pattern. Use resistance bands for assistance until you can perform strict muscle-ups. When you finally nail your first one, you'll understand why special forces use this as a fitness standard. It's a full-body muscle builder disguised as a single exercise. Here's the truth. Weights are tools, and so is your body. But your body is the one tool you'll always have access to. These 6 exercises build muscle, strength, and athleticism that translates beyond the mirror. They demand focus, progression, and patience, but the results are undeniable. Start with one exercise today. Master the progressions. Trust the process. In 6 months, you'll look back amazed at what your body can do. If this video helped you see bodyweight training differently, smash that like button and subscribe for more science-backed fitness content. Drop a comment telling me which exercise you're starting with. And if you want a full bodyweight workout program, check the link in the description. Now get out there and show those weights who's boss. I'll see you in the next video.